Have you logged into your Google business profile recently and thought, wait, where did my reviews go? Or maybe your product suddenly showed pending. Or perhaps you received a phone call claiming to be from Google. Wait, you are not only the one. Welcome to Inside GBP, a brand new monthly series from GBP Wizards. Every month, we'll go through the biggest Google business profile updates, official announcements, platform bugs, security alerts, AI changes, and practical tips, so you don't have to spend hours searching forums and news websites. In today's episode, we'll cover a review dashboard bug that confuses thousands of businesses, Google newest business profile features, why AI is changing local search, an important warning about fake Google support calls, one simple tip that can save your profile, and what we think is coming next. Hi, I am Shabnam from GBP Wizards, and let's get started. Let's begin with the biggest issues reported this month. Many business owners logged into their Google business profile dashboard and got a huge shock. Their dashboard showed you have no reviews. Imagine running a business with hundreds of 5-star reviews and suddenly seeing 0. And the good news? For many businesses, this was only a dashboard issue. Customers could still see the reviews on public Google business profile. So before you panic, open your profile in an incognito browser or ask a friend to check your public listing. If the reviews are still visible there, chances are you are looking at a temporary dashboard bug. Sometimes the dashboard and the live profile don't update at the same time. Another issue reported by many businesses involved the product section. Products that had already been approved suddenly changed into pending. If this happened to you, don't rush to delete everything and upload it again. When Google is fixing a platform issue, making a lot of changes can sometimes create even more confusion. Our advice is to wait, monitor your profile, and check trusted GBP communities before making major edits. Now let's talk about the official changes. What's Happening feature. Google is introducing a new section called What's Happening. This feature highlights fresh content from businesses, including offers, events, seasonal promotions, latest updates. Instead of customers searching through your Google business profile, Google wants to surface your newest information more clearly. So if you have been ignoring Google posts, this is your reminder to start using them again. Even one quality post every week can keep your profile looking active and informative. Verification is getting stricter. Google is also continuing to strengthen the verification process. More businesses are now being asked for video verification, storefront footage, business signage, proof of ownership, workspace or equipment. This is all part of Google's effort to reduce fake listings and improve trust. If you are creating a new business profile or making major changes, make sure your business information is accurate before starting the verification process. Now for the biggest long-term trend, artificial intelligence. Google's AI is changing how people discover local businesses. When someone searches for a service, Google isn't only looking at your website anymore. It also learning from your business profile. That includes reviews, photos, services, business description, business categories, and customer interaction. In simple terms, your Google business profile is becoming a part of Google's AI knowledge. What does that mean to you? A complete, regular, updated profile is becoming more valuable than ever. So don't leave outdated business hours. Don't forget to update your services, reply to customer reviews, upload fresh photos. These small actions help Google understand your business better, and that's how you are representing AI-powered search experiences. Now let's talk about something that could affect any business owner. Scammers are pretending to be Google. Many businesses have reported receiving calls or text messages saying things like, "Your business will be suspended. Pay now to protect your listing. Share your verification code." Here is what you need to remember. Google will never ask for your password. Google will never ask for your OTP. And Google will never promise better ranking if you make a payment over the phone. If you receive a suspicious call, take a moment. Don't panic. Don't share any information. Always verify through Google's official support channels. Protecting your profile starts with protecting your information. And here is this month's pro tip. Whenever something unusual happens with your Google business profile, don't assume it's only happening to you. Check trusted sources like Google Business Profile Community and respected local SEO publications. Many issues are platform-wide bugs, not problems with your individual profile. Spending 5 minutes checking first could save you hours of unnecessary stress. So what are we watching for next? We are seeing Google invest heavy in AI and local search. We also expect Google to continue improving spam detection and business verification. That means businesses with accurate information, genuine reviews, and active profiles are literally to be in a stronger position moving forward. We'll keep tracking these developments and bring you the important ones every month. Since this is our very first episode, we don't have a viewer questionnaire. So here is one for you. What is the biggest Google business profile issue you are facing right now? Is it suspension, verification, reviews, ranking, or something else? Leave your question in the comments. We will answer one of them in our next episode and give you a shout out. And that's a wrap on the very first episode of Inside GBP. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to GBP Wizards. Every month, we'll bring the latest business profile updates, bugs, official announcements, AI trends, security alerts, and practical tips all in one place. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Keep your business profile updated, and we'll see you in the next episode of Inside GBP.